Okay, should be live here. Hello. Just gonna do a chill little stream here. I'm pretty tired. Went and maxed my bench, and I'm burnt. I found this old screenshot from Neural MMO, so I have a reference finally to compare it to. And yeah, we're definitely way under what we want here. What on earth is this thing doing? I have no idea what this thing is doing. Did I run this thing without layer? Or am I an idiot? No, we have it in here. It's fine. Yeah, I just did it twice by mistake. Close this. We can leave this here. And I'll say what we're doing in a second. So, the main final discrepancy that's preventing us from releasing releasing Puffer 4. And yeah, there are experiments to run. Yeah, there's cleanup and polish. And there's docs, and there's writing. But the main thing that we're missing, hey Mystic, is the Neural MMO 3 results. It's not working how it should. Um, we don't know if it's an M-specific bug. We don't know if it's a learning bug. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go get the Python backend working because we know that one's supposed to work. And then we'll be able to run essentially a confirmation check. We'll be able to bisect the bug from there. It's pretty important that I get this process started as quickly as possible because it's going to take 50 bill. So yeah, probably a minimum of 4 hours per experiment to verify. Ah, yeah, this was the Mingernet as well. This was the previous soda. So, clear cut soda, very nice. From this comment. I thought I'd remembered it only being 8.5, so we did get 9 in the new update. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Okay, let's actually not run this locally and kill my box. That's a better idea. So let's just do this on my remote one. I'm not about lagging out the stream. Video keynote, I don't watch those, man. Unless they've got a an RTX 6090 that's like not $10,000. Yeah, it's Ubuntu. Great. Gotta reboot the container. This is really the only goal for today, is to figure out this one bug. Like I said, I'm pretty tired. I'm traveling tomorrow. And this is really the only thing that I need before I enter the final, like, grind for the finish line of Buffer 4. Okay, this works. Good. Oh, 900K on the 5090, very good. 1 mil on the 5090, very, very good. Cool. Right. Why your screen recording looks so good and mine looks so bad? OBS, good connection, good stream settings, like bitrate set reasonably, 6 KB. I see. Ooh. What are we going to do with our vectorization? Probably going to deprecate. No, we're not going to deprecate the vec. We're just going to deprecate it for ocean ends. Be better. Plug can do this. Yeah, Sonic can do this even. So I'll just kind of sit here and I'll like fix things with this for a bit. The goal will be if we can get the old Python implementation working nicely with the latest backend, and then we can confirm that neural MMO still works with this. Then we can track down discrepancies, and if it doesn't work with this, then we can also track down discrepancies, though it'll take a little longer. Okay. Yep, we did get rid of this. Okay, we did get rid of max mini batch as well. We cut a few like not really used features in buffer 4. Okay, there was AMP. I guess we may as well keep that for the comparisons. Yes. We did get rid of the non-mini batches config arg. We did introduce replay ratio though. We'll see if it catches that. Log format changes a lot. We don't care too much about that initially. Sure. Not a big deal. It's fine. I don't really like the legacy. Let me see. Be good. Okay. It's total agents by horizon. Compile goes away. Cool. Okay. It's good. Don't need this. We still want DDP. Get device CPU. Oh, it actually doesn't even ask for the clarification. That's kind of funny. Sometimes you can reject stuff and it'll just go, oh, okay, yeah, that was dumb. It doesn't even ask for clarification. Hello, welcome. How long is this file? Yeah, this file is stupid long, but I think most of it is the old sweep logic. We should be able to integrate all this stuff nicely together. I'm not going to do that yet, though. May as well start looking through this dashboard. So this whole dashboard print will get shared. Profile will probably still need here, right? But this gets shared, this gets shared, this gets deleted. Train will use our main train loop. Eval will use that loop. All this code gets replaced. I think it's going to be like, it's not going to be 400 lines. It'll probably be like 800. It's still way better. We could technically expose our mingru to torch. That might not be terrible. Just drop like the outermost mingru thing to torch. We'd probably get some like reasonably decent train rates with that, right? Yeah. I might still decide to do that, just so we give the torch users something, right? Because otherwise it'll be like, hey, Puffer 4, it's 5 times faster with our CUDA backend, and it's slower without it. If we don't really want... Right, you can't do, We'll try this. Static vex step. Okay. So this is non-threaded version. Might be fine. I think this might be fine. Can probably make this async. Do we want the CPU ones? Why is it doing this? GPU actions to CPU. No. Just expose the raw CPU pinned buffer pointers. Not done with C-type storage. I also. Okay, no CPU round trip. Good. That's fine. We'll clean this up after, so like we won't have these multiple backends. I don't mind a little bit of bloat in the bindings file though for this. I really just want to have this test done for the day. Long. The pointer. GPU obs, rewards, terminals. Yeah, that's it. Why are we importing Jim? FP4 for inference, right? No way you train on FP4. I don't even know how the hell you get the model. I mean, I guess we need to see the charts. Like, can you actually quantize models to FP4 and not just destroy them? Yeah. I've definitely seen people complain that they're being served like quantized models that suck. FP4 seems quite sus. Like, I believe FP8, maybe. That's good. Yeah, it's lost. It's very lossy, of course. Hello, what is the plan for today? The plan for today is I'm exhausted, so I'm chilling here and I'm attempting to fix uh, an issue with neural MMO 3 is not training as well as it should. And that is the main final test we need for Puffer 4. So I'm getting our Python backend cleaned up because I was going to end up having to do that next week anyways. But I figure if we run neural MMO in the Python backend, that'll give us a nice counterpoint test. So we're going to do that now. What are we doing here? Yes, that's fine. Okay. Plan for ROM C. Is there really a point to it? If AMD actually makes a big push to release sane stuff for ML, then sure, but like they don't seem to give a shit about their platform for that, so why should I? Like on one hand, it does somewhat irritate me, right? That like our very optimized backend is just going to be for NVIDIA hardware. But like on the other hand, we'll have a reasonably efficient implementation with Torch. It could get swapped for TinyGrad in the future. Those will support multiple backends. And like ultimately, we need to be at the lowest level for our main work going forward anyways. Like I don't think it's possible for me to effectively do the research that I need to do in Torch or in TinyGrad. Like I need to be thinking about architecture design and the algorithms at the level of the actual hardware, not at the level of Torch, which just like, yeah, it's a GPU, it does operations. Give us operations, we'll do them. You know? Wait, did they actually do this? Cool. Ugh, whatever. I can mess with the bindings file a little bit for now. I haven't bothered, like, I have to clean that one up anyways. As long as it doesn't mess with pufferlib. Again, it can mess with this file. The Python one is fine. I will actually have to think a little bit about how I want to support nth parallelism. It might be possible to give it a torch callback, technically. Could be. If I can do it in a way that's not gross, I think it'll be worth it. We'll see. Eh. Torch one doesn't have to be crazy optimized. Hello, welcome. I think that we just don't introduce a bunch of complexity into the torch code. Like, the torch code is for people who don't understand low level and don't understand optimized code. You know? I think it's better we have the, like, really fast optimized thing, and then we have the, like, yeah, it's as fast as we can get it, we're keeping it simple. Mm. Do you not think of cars here? Probably. It's easy enough. Torch has no problem. They see. We might just have to expose it. Infinite patience. You set up the whole chess project. Some dumb stuff. Got to play the AI and beat it. Well, hey, I mean, we want people using the stuff and contributing. So take a look around, see what stuff you feel like building. There are a heck of a lot of ways to get involved and help advance the field through Puffer. Like, you gotta realize, I only have so much energy to go around. So, there are a lot of ways to help out with stuff. Hopefully this is a real thing. Okay. Tell me something about Chessbot. It completely outplayed me to bits. Had mate 9 completely winning, but repeatedly failed. Yeah, we know that it's weird with endgames for whatever reason. Which should be way easier for it to learn, but it's bad at endgames. Like the thing with endgames, right, is endgames are really easy for search because there's not that much to search over. It's harder for RL. How does RL explain this? Kind of funny, honestly, that it works like that. I mean, it's cool though that it's cool that it plays differently from a lot of other stuff, right? That's kind of cool. For this. Did you try out? I haven't tried it yet. Did he post it? I don't think he posted it yet. I definitely would like to. Oh shit. Well, let's see. Ooh. This is based on my Inferno thing, yeah? Yeah. Cool. If you open to PR, I will have a lot of fun with that. pretty inefficient. I'll just go find it. He's a mech engineer. That's cool. I just know how to chop wood in RuneScape. Yeah, well, I know how to have this thing on my other monitor, like AFKing this pure. That's what I know how to do. Of course, I have it up in the background. You don't think that I did my PhD on it and I don't have it up in the background, right? On the friggin' MMO AI. That was fast. What? Okay. No, RuneScape is actually going to be, in my mind, there's like no question that this is the right task. It's just on the side monitor. Like, whoop, whoop, you know? Yeah, this is the silly little account I sometimes have up training on the side. I left this like 3K off of 99, so I get them both at the same time. Just a little for fun account. Can Puffer balance a game? Yeah, for specific types of games, you can totally do that. That is a good application for it, in fact. Okay, so we get to here. Yeah, bad idea, Anish. It is ludicrously addictive. I stopped playing it for almost 3 years, I believe. Was it 2 years or three? I think it was almost 3 years while I was building Puffer 1 and 2. Puffer 1, 2, and 3, in fact. Recently I decided, okay, I deserve a little bit of a break. I mean, some of the work blocks I've done on Puffer have just been like ridiculously masochistic. Stardew was a very, very bad RLM finish. It's like entirely external knowledge, no mechanics. Yeah, it's gonna have to get wrapped differently. It's gonna want to wrap this separately from the raw inputs, my thing. Is what it'll do. And it'll work. it's a good model, sir. Why is it long, long? Oh, I see. This is just this free binding syntax. Small stream, probably small streaming-ish. It'll be here another hour and a half-ish until dinner. I might do the evening stream though, depending what we get done. The only thing I want to have today is I want to have this backend able to test neural MMO3. So because I'm doing some traveling tomorrow, so I'd like to get some experiments in while I am to confirm whether neural MMO3 is screwed up or not. This is easier. Rebuild. Actually, I can just have it made. Well, yeah, I can just do this. Come on, we don't need the language model to delete a line of code. Yay, it runs. Cool. Dumb fix. Should have checkpoint interval. Screwy there, yeah, for sure. Did he? I mean, he's also said shit about Rust. Yeah, there's too much mess here. Excuse me. Is there a reply? Huh? I'll be right back. Let me use the restroom real quick while this does this.